Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's crypto top 30, counting down from Cosmos Hub, Toncoin, Chainlink, Leo, Monero, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar to Quant at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Atom against BTC. Yeah, I think Atom is in a very big consolidation. Once we're done, this could be a huge move that comes on, right? And we say goodbye, bye, and we just go off, right? Yeah, again, I just don't see anything yet at this point in time for Atom. No clear tradable chart patterns. Atom against USDT. Yeah, I think Atom is attempting to break the skinny pink line. You know, if you can break the skinny pink line with real big bullish momentum, real big buying pressure, yes, then yes, we will be shifting towards a bullish trend. But we're still largely under the skinny pink line, so we will still remain with our bearish bias. So yeah, is there a possibility that we could still hit lower? Yes, of course. Mountain ranges, we hit lower, right? We continue down under the skinny pink line, right? Yeah, I still feel that the danger is still present for Atom against USDT towards the downside, right? Ton against BTC on Coinex. And yeah, this is a noisy area. We're hitting support at a noisy area. Yes, there's a rally right now, but are we going to get mountain ranges to hit lower? Or yeah, again, it's just not really that clear. Yeah, it's just, things are just very unclear for Ton against BTC, Ton against USDT. On Coinex, we still have a target over here, $3.07, so we could still crawl our way up, hit $3, and then there could be a very deep retrace, right? I mean, of course, we don't really have to hit targets, and we could just see a retrace, but yeah, we still have our bullish target for Ton, so more upside is still to be expected for Toncoin. Chainlink against BTC. We are, you know, we're still under the resistance. Made an attempt to break it, and I think that eventually we are going to break the resistance line. The only question we continue having is this the low? Or are we going to get a lower low? You see that? Do you see that? If this is the low, then yeah, great. We'll probably break it. We'll start forming a bullish trend for Link against BTC. But yeah, we're still under the resistance line. We're still under the skinny pink line, right? We've made 3 attempts to break it for real, for good. But every attempt that we make to go above the skinny pink line, we get slapped down, we get slapped down. It feels to me like the next slap down is coming for Chainlink against BTC. Leo against BTC. We are, yeah, it's finally crossed the skinny pink line, and it's on its way to our first target at 12500. The thing I like about Leo is that this could be a very, very big ascending triangle in the making, which means that there could be a very big downside coming on for Link against BTC. So the bearish trend has already started for Leo against BTC, and we are expecting the bearish trend to continue lower. Leo against USD is already under the skinny pink line, so if anything, we would still maintain our bearish bias for Leo against USD. Many clusters of stop sells over here, which we think eventually it would probably be taken out over time. We're not really sure how things are going to look like, but of course, the sooner the better, right? And after that, we could see a move back up, hopefully. But yeah, I just don't think there's a trade for Leo at this point of time, so stay safe. Monero against BTC. Ooh, we are first. I mean, we're turning back to a dip for the first time ever, but we're still above the skinny pink line. So Monero is largely bullish against BTC. We still have a target over here, 15400. This could just be a consolidation for more upside, but yeah, Monero is facing tough resistance at this area, and I think the next tough resistance area will be at 0.011. You see? Do you see that? Still above the skinny pink line, still expect more upside, but yeah, we could start dropping as well. So be careful, be careful. Monero against USDT. RT? What's RT? Monero against USDT. Yeah, we're hitting the resistance line for the third time. 1, 2, 3. We are already above, if you look carefully, the skinny pink line. Oh, this could be it though. This could be it for Monero. I mean, of course, we could still come back down, but yeah, we were saying previously, is this a symmetrical triangle? Are we breaking out of the symmetrical triangle? If we break out of the symmetrical triangle, we have to break the resistance line, which is in the form of the skinny pink line, and then which is the real true resistance line over here, the big one. And then once we break it, I think more likely than not, we should see continuation towards the upside for Monero against USDT. Ethereum Classic against BTC. ETC BTC, we are expecting a symmetrical triangle to complete. Oof, this is gonna be awesome. Super duper awesome if it happened, right? This could be the continuation of a third wave, right? Fourth wave, maybe? Fifth wave. Haha. So more upside to be expected. Could we still head lower? Of course. Any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern? We are expecting this. This would be an awesome, big, high quality tradable chart pattern for Ethereum Classic, but it hasn't completed yet. Ethereum Classic against USDT, same freaking thing. Could we still head lower? Of course. Is this the end for Ethereum Classic? We are not too sure because we're still under the skinny pink line. So the bearish bias is still intact for Ethereum Classic against USDT. We are aware of the bullish possibilities, but we're still under the skinny pink line, so the danger is still there that we could still head lower, and this may not be it, right? Yes, we are aware of the symmetrical. Over here, we still got a symmetrical as well, right? And look what happened to the symmetrical. We dropped lower, and now we're getting another symmetrical. What do you think is gonna happen? We could still drop lower, right? You gotta be careful. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. We've been making attempts to break the skinny pink line, right? Every time we go above it, we get slapped down. We go above it, we got slapped down. You see that? We're attempting to break above it. Will we see a slap down for Bitcoin Cash against BTC? We are not too sure. We are not too sure. The best thing that could happen for Bitcoin Cash is that we see a rally up, come back down, consolidate, and we continue rallying for Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Best case scenario. Will we get it? It remains to be seen. Bitcoin Cash against USD is awesome. Awesome in the sense that we are already out of the falling channel. So if anything, we're expecting more upside to come above the lows over here. So my guess is, based on the chart pattern, this is already the low that's already established. 87 is already the low. Could we still head back to double digits for Bitcoin Cash? Of course. But is this the low of the low for Bitcoin Cash? I think more likely than not it is, right? I mean, of course, no guarantees, and we could still drop any a little bit lower. But yeah, I think the falling channel is already done, and I think we're already breaking out. The next resistance would be the skinny pink line. So we need to really, truly break the skinny pink line, skinny pink line for Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, there you go. I still think that the possibility still remains that we break the skinny pink line, but this could be a long drawn accumulation before that happens, right? So yeah, but Bitcoin Cash is looking really good. I think there's something coming on for Bitcoin Cash. I'm not so sure what it is, but I think there's something big coming on. We will probably not hear about it until many months down the road. But technically, we already see it. Stellar Lumens against BTC. We are, more likely than not to take out this low and this low. We may even take out this low over here, right? Bum. And then only do we see some sort of a reversal. XLM against USDT. Yeah, we still have our 7 cents target. We still have our 7 cents target, and we're still expecting it to hit. So again, more downsides to be expected for Stellar Lumens against USDT. We could be taking out, I think we could be taking out these lows and even these lows over here at around 5 cents. Yeah, sub 6 cents, I think. But again, we are already out of targets. Although there could be more downside, we are already out of targets. Could we start a proper bullish reversal from here? Of course. The thing is that we still have downside targets, so we remain with our bearish bias. We are already under the skinny pink line, right? And we're still under the skinny pink line, so the bearish trend is still on, and we are expecting more downside. Of course, there could be a reversal, but yeah, we'll see. We'll take things one step at a time. Quant against BTC. We are above the skinny pink line, so Quant is bullish. If anything, we'll be anticipating the continuation of the upside for Quant against BTC. Quant against USDT. Okay, Quant against USDT is a bit of a strange puppy. Strange in the sense that we see clear mountains over here. We could still get mountains and head lower. I mean, of course, if we start consolidating over here, then yes, there could be more upside to come for Quant against USDT. The thing is, at this point of time, yeah, we're still not really sure. We still have our $74 target, but we've already taken out. You know, we were assuming that this would be a head and shoulders. And we had a target, actually 2 targets, but we will start with one first. We started with 1, which is 74.7, and we have already taken out the right shoulder. So yeah, this is no longer a valid target, right? If and when we retest the support again, if we form, you know, and complete the mountain range and drop lower, then yes, we will have that target eventually. But at this point of time, yeah, it's not really looking that bearish yet. You know, if we come back down, only if we come back down, we shall remain with our bearish bias for Quant against USDT, because we are already above the skinny pink line. Do you see that? So more upsides to be expected for Quant. Very few coins are above the skinny pink line. Most coins are actually down. And for today, it's only Monero and Quant. I think, yeah, only Monero and Quant. Everyone else is still down, so stay safe, stay safe. All right. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's Crypto Top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.